according to law of conservation of momentum. According to law of conservation of momentum, we all know that total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision. It means that my formula would be like this: m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Let me remind you. Sir, सहज उस लेखा असली m1 plus m2 u2. सहज उस लेखा याद बराबर जिनको यही बराबर मगर सर से क्या जरूरत पे ठीक है मेश करूं कुछ v2 शिवा से थोड़ा बड़े को clear the point? Yes, sir. This is means total momentum after collision. It is equal to total momentum before collision. But the conservation of law states like this also. Total momentum before collision is also equal to total momentum after collision. Now we will put one by one the value above values in the formula. What is here? M1 is already given. So we will write here 4 into V1. V1 beta. V1 is not known. So we will write back V1. Plus formula ka. M2 is given 1 by 20. So I may write here 1 by 20. V2 is given 35 equal to formula ka. M1 ka value 40. U1 is 0. Because U1 equal to U2 is equal 0. So U1 is 0. M2 is again 1 by 20. U2 is again 0. So we will simplify it. 4 into V1 को इधर पर count बेटा. Plus या तो करो cancel 5 और 7 और 5 और 4 और 7 1 और 7 divide में है 4 equal 4 0 और 0 because anything multiplied by 0 is always 0. Plus 0 into 1 is 0. Divided by 0 is 20 and 0 by 20 is always 0. So we will simplify it. 4 into V1 plus 7 by 4. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 into V1 is as it is. This is plus here. On taking to right hand side it will be minus 7 upon 4. Now see beta. V1 as it is because we have to find V1 minus 7 upon 4. If we assume in the denominator there is not 4, I will put this 4 here for some time. In denominator there is 4, I put it aside as a 4. What is here? 4. But this 4 is multiplied with so on taking this 4 on right hand side it will be but there is also its own 4, so it will be divided by 4 again. But this 4 is multiplied with 4, but 4 is also multiplied with 4. This 4 was divided by 7. Now multiply on them. Plus minus is minus is 7. 4 4 are 16. Now we have to divide 7 with 16. So let me divide here. See beta. 7 is less than 16. It means that first two we will take 0. It is meaningless. Now this after this we will take 1. Here will be 0. 16 into 5 is 18. We will do 4. 4 6 are 24. 2 are 4 1 are 4 plus 2 is 6. On subtracting 70 minus 64 there is 6. This is less, this is more. So we will again take here 0. Now we will perform the division with 3. 3 6 are 18. 1 carry. 3 1 are 3. And this 4. We will take here 1. It will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here remains 15. 5 minus 4 is 1. This is less to 16. So we will take here a 0. It becomes 1 2 0. Now 16 into 7 is 7 6 is 42. 4 carry. 7 1 are 7 plus 4 is. So it becomes close to 120. So on performing the division with 7, it becomes 1 1 2. On subtracting 120 with 112, there remains 8. So we will again take 0. So it will be divided by now 5. Because 5 6 are 30. How many carry are? 3. 5 1 are 5 plus 3 is 8. It means that our answer comes out to be V1 equal to 0.437. What is here? Minus. So it will be minus. And SI unit of velocity is meter per second. It it means that negative sign of final velocity shows that the direction of the rifle will be in opposite to the bullet fired. So that is why it comes out to be negative. And this is your final answer. You write down this.